In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online using the browser. Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to customize your invoice template so it reflects your brand and communicates clearly with your customers. We'll do everything in a web browser, just like you would in your everyday workflow. First, log in to QuickBooks Online in your browser. Using a current version of Chrome, Edge, or Safari will give you the smoothest experience. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is your control center for settings and preferences. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This page lists your existing templates. Find the invoice template you want to edit and click Edit. If you have several, choose the one you use most often, so your changes make the biggest impact. Inside the editor, you'll see several tabs that let you fine-tune your design and content. Start with Design to change the overall template style, colors, and fonts. Aim for readability and consistency with your brand. High contrast colors and a clean font help your customers quickly find totals and due dates. Keep it professional and simple to reduce confusion. Next, go to Header. Here you can add or update your logo, company information, and the invoice title. Make sure your business name, address, and contact details are accurate and easy to spot. A crisp, properly sized logo helps your invoices look polished. You can also tailor the invoice title so it matches the tone of your business, whether you prefer invoice, tax invoice, or something similar. Move to Footer to add terms, notes, or disclaimers. This is the perfect place for payment terms, late fee policies, warranty notes, or project references. Clear, concise language prevents back and forth and helps customers know exactly what to do next. In emails, customize the default email message that goes out with your invoices. Keep the subject line clear and the message brief, friendly, and action-focused. You can include context like the project name or period covered, and a short thank you that fits your brand voice. Finally, open payments to enable or edit online payment options. Turning on card or bank transfer payments can speed up collections and make it easier for customers to pay on time. Choose the options that fit your fees, timeline, and customer preferences. When you're satisfied, click Done to save your changes. Your updated style is now ready the next time you create or send an invoice. That's how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online using a browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.